main focus our drawing is so here the characters can move bent. Okay, I just more bigger. So we are going to keep practice this, but very easy way. Okay, this is sketching. So suppose this one. Okay, we are going to this all drawing is a first I show it is how you can draw this 30 second to 60 second of one drawing complete. Then it is a going coming. First make the circle, then the line up action, body, head, torso, pelvis. Make this. This is the leg. Leg draw like this only. Leg draw like this only. See? Yes, better. Fine. So, and another leg. See, this is only from torso. One leg coming. The pelvis, one leg coming. Another leg coming like this. Okay. And the hand also just do like this. Circle. One hand coming. So just understanding the flow of this. Okay, one hand coming like this. Make the hand like this only. Okay, like this. Another hand, something circle, line, like this. So that much only I expecting from that much only. Okay, only this, and from the head also just like this. The eyes suggestion, nose suggestion, mouth suggestion. That much only, and neck suggestion. Like there is a neck. That's that much only, okay? So this is just taking time, maybe 30 seconds or 40 seconds. We are going to develop the sketching. Patapat, okay?